Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to download CapCut on your PC and laptop. So guys, it's a very good news that you don't have to now install or download any of the Android emulator. You can use CapCut on any PC or laptop without downloading any of the Android emulator. So it's a pretty simple way. I'm gonna tell you how you can do this. So don't worry about it. First of all, you guys have to search for Microsoft Store. So in any of the search bar in your Windows, you guys have to search for Microsoft Store. So I'm searching. Here you guys can see it is a Microsoft Store. You guys have to tap on it. After tapping on that, here you guys can be able to see our Microsoft Store has been opened. Now you guys have to search for here CapCut. After searching for CapCut, you guys have to click on the search button. And after searching the CapCut, here you guys can see in the result section the first one is CapCut. You just have to click on it. After clicking on it, I have, as you guys can already know, that I have already installed CapCut, but you have to install it. So you guys have to just tap on here the install button and CapCut will be automatically installed on your PC. So after installing the CapCut app, you guys have to just tap on the start button, and here you guys can see easily CapCut in recently added application, or you guys can search the CapCut in C section where it is. So you guys have to just tap on it, and initially it will start by testing, and after that you guys can be able to use CapCut for forever and free. So that's all for today guys. Hope you would like it. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.